Forget stiff, lifeless animations. Imagine your K-pop Demon Hunters characters moving with real weight, emotion, and personality. Subtle expressions, natural timing, movements that feel intentional, not robotic. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you exactly how I turn simple ideas into a polished 3D animation scenes using VO3 Flow, even if you're not great in prompting and animation theory. We'll use Jinu and Rumi as our example characters, and by the end of this video, you'll understand how to build scene-by-scene animation that actually feel alive. Let's get into it. The first thing we do is not jump into the animation tool. We start with ChatGPT. Now, personally, I don't rely on ChatGPT for my own prompts anymore, but I know not everyone is confident with prompting, storytelling, or scene structure. So for this tutorial, I'm using ChatGPT on purpose because it's one of the easiest way to help you plan your animation clearly. Think of ChatGPT as your story assistant, not your animation engine. For this example, we're using Rumi and Jinu since they already exist in 3D animation style. We simply go to Google Images, download a clean reference image of Rumi, and also we download a clean reference image for Jinu. These images will later act as a visual anchors for consistency. Inside ChatGPT, we ask for a scene-by-scene animation prompt. For example, Rumi and Jinu are inside an airplane and there's a tension in the scene. Jinu has a secret affair with Zoey, and Zoey is suddenly introduced into the story. At this stage, you decide, do you want a dialogue or no dialogue? Is the mood comedic, dramatic, or cinematic? How long each scene should feel? And ChatGPT will help you structure this into clear, separated scenes, which is very important for flow. Once that's done, we copy the finished prompts, and now we move to the animation part. We do not generate everything at once. We animate one scene at a time. Paste only scene 1's prompt, generate a video, and let flow fully complete the motion. Once scene 1 looks good, we move on. We move on to scene 2. Paste scene 2's prompt, generate again, repeat this process for each scenes, and this gives you a better control over your timing, cleaner transitions, and more consistent character behavior. When you rush everything into a one prompt, flow loses its nuance. When you use scene by scene, it keeps the animation intentional. By repeating this process, you now have a short animated sequence or a longer form of AI animation, all inspired by K-pop Demon Hunters but customized to your own story. No traditional animation skills required, no complicated software, just clear planning and smart use of flow. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more content like this, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.